Have you ever wondered about the hidden wonders of thyme? This ancient herb holds powerful secrets. Welcome to the holistic wellness realm, where thyme is celebrated for its remarkable properties. Thyme is a versatile herb. It grows close to the ground. Its aroma is fresh and lemony. Thyme is more than just a culinary herb. It has numerous health benefits. With tiny leaves and purple flowers, thyme thrives in sunny spots. This herb has a rich history of use. Found in gardens and the wild, thyme has been cherished for centuries. Its benefits have stood the test of time. From ancient times to today, thyme continues to enhance our lives. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Holistic Wellness Realm channel for more natural remedies and wellness tips. People have always loved thyme. This humble herb has been cherished across different cultures and eras for its myriad of uses and benefits. From ancient civilizations to modern times, thyme has played a significant role in our lives. A long time ago, Egyptians used thyme. They believed it had powerful properties and incorporated it into their daily lives. It wasn't just a culinary herb for them, it was a symbol of purification and protection. They used it to preserve mummies. The ancient Egyptians believed that thyme could help in the preservation of the body for the afterlife. This practice highlights the herb's importance in their spiritual and cultural rituals. The Greeks used thyme for its smell. They would burn it as incense in their temples and homes, believing that its aromatic fragrance could purify the air and ward off evil spirits. They also used it in their medicine. Greek physicians like Hippocrates documented the use of thyme in treating respiratory conditions and other ailments, showcasing its medicinal value. In the Middle Ages, people thought thyme gave them courage. It was a common belief that thyme could instill bravery and strength, making it a popular herb among knights and warriors. They gave it to knights before battles. Thyme was often embroidered into knights' scarves or given as a token of good luck and protection before they went into combat. People also put thyme in their homes. They believed that thyme could protect their households from negative energies and bring good fortune. They believed it kept bad things away. This practice of using thyme for protection was widespread, and it was often placed under pillows to ward off nightmares and promote restful sleep. Today, we know thyme has special properties. Modern science has confirmed many of the benefits that ancient cultures attributed to thyme. It contains compounds that have antimicrobial, antifungal, and antioxidant properties. These properties can help our bodies. Thyme is now used in various forms, from essential oils to supplements, to support our immune system and overall health. Thyme can help us fight off sickness. It is a popular ingredient in herbal teas and natural remedies, known for its ability to soothe sore throats and alleviate coughs. It can also help our skin and tummies feel better. Thyme is used in skincare products for its antibacterial properties and in digestive aids to relieve stomach discomfort. Truly, thyme has stood the test of time as a versatile and valuable herb. Thyme is a friend to our lungs. This humble herb, often found in our kitchens, has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. Not only does it add flavor to our dishes, but it also offers a range of health benefits, especially for our respiratory system. It can help us breathe easier. When we inhale the aroma of thyme, it can open up our airways, making it easier to take in oxygen and expel carbon dioxide. This is particularly beneficial for those who suffer from respiratory conditions like asthma or bronchitis. Thyme can help when we have a cough or a cold. The herb contains compounds that act as natural expectorants, helping to loosen and expel mucus from the respiratory tract. This can provide relief from persistent coughing and congestion. It can also help with sore throats. Drinking thyme tea or gargling with a thyme-infused solution can soothe the throat, reducing inflammation and discomfort. The antimicrobial properties of thyme can also help fight off infections that cause sore throats. How does thyme help us breathe? Thyme has special oils. These essential oils, particularly thymol, have powerful antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties. They can help reduce inflammation in the airways, making it easier to breathe. These oils can loosen mucus. When mucus is less sticky and more fluid, it can be expelled more easily from the lungs. This is especially helpful during a cold or respiratory infection when mucus production is high. This makes it easier to cough up. By helping to clear mucus from the lungs, thyme can reduce the frequency and severity of coughing, allowing for more restful sleep and quicker recovery from respiratory illnesses. Thyme can also relax the muscles in our chests. The antispasmodic properties of thyme can help to ease muscle tension in the chest, which can be particularly beneficial for those experiencing tightness or discomfort due to respiratory issues. This helps us take deeper breaths. By relaxing the chest muscles and reducing inflammation, thyme allows for deeper, more effective breathing. This can enhance oxygen intake and improve overall respiratory function. If you have a cold, try thyme tea. This warm, soothing beverage can provide relief from many cold symptoms. The steam from the tea can also help to open up nasal passages, making it easier to breathe. Thyme tea can soothe your throat. The warm liquid can help to reduce throat irritation, and the antimicrobial properties of thyme can help to fight off the infection causing the sore throat. It can also help clear your airways. Inhaling the steam from thyme tea can help to loosen mucus and reduce congestion, providing relief from stuffy noses and blocked sinuses. So, next time you're feeling under the weather, remember to reach for thyme. Tiny but mighty thyme's germ-fighting powers. Thyme is small but strong. It can fight off harmful germs. These germs can make us ill. By using thyme, we can prevent these germs from spreading. Thyme contains a special compound called thymol. Thymol is a potent germ fighter. It can eliminate bacteria and viruses. This helps us maintain good health. Did you know thyme is also used as a natural cleaning agent? It can be used to clean homes and even for personal hygiene. Thyme is a natural and effective way to combat germs. Happy skin, thanks to thyme. Thyme, a humble herb often found in our kitchens, has been celebrated for its culinary uses. But did you know it also holds incredible benefits for our skin? Let's dive into the world of thyme and discover how it can help us achieve that radiant, healthy glow. Thyme can help our skin glow. This herb is packed with antioxidants that protect our skin from damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants help to slow down the aging process, keeping our skin looking youthful and vibrant. Imagine having a natural glowing complexion just by incorporating thyme into your skincare routine. It can help with skin problems. Thyme has anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe irritated skin. Whether you're dealing with redness, swelling, or other skin irritations, thyme can provide relief. It's like having a natural remedy right at your fingertips. Thyme can help with acne and small cuts. Acne is a common skin issue that many of us face, but thyme's antibacterial properties can help fight the bacteria that cause acne. Applying thyme-based treatments can reduce breakouts and promote clearer skin. Additionally, thyme can aid in the healing of small cuts and wounds, making it a versatile addition to your skincare arsenal. It can even help with insect bites. The anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties of thyme make it an excellent remedy for insect bites. Applying a thyme-based ointment can reduce itching and swelling, providing quick relief from those pesky bites. Thyme's germ-fighting powers help our skin. The antibacterial properties of thyme are not just limited to acne. Thyme can help fight off various bacteria that can cause skin infections. Using thyme-based cleansers can keep your skin clean and free from harmful microbes. It can fight the bacteria that cause acne. Regular use of thyme in your skincare routine can help maintain clear skin by preventing the growth of acne-causing bacteria. This means fewer breakouts and a smoother complexion. Thyme can also help wounds heal faster. The antiseptic properties of thyme make it an effective treatment for minor wounds. Applying thyme-based ointments can speed up the healing process, ensuring that your skin recovers quickly and efficiently. You can find thyme in soaps and lotions. Many skincare products now include thyme as a key ingredient due to its numerous benefits. From soaps to lotions, incorporating these products into your daily routine can enhance your skin's health and appearance. You can also make your own thyme skin treatments. For those who prefer a more hands-on approach, creating DIY thyme treatments at home is a great option. You can make face masks, toners, and even ointments using fresh or dried thyme. This allows you to customize your skincare routine to suit your specific needs. Thyme is a gentle and effective way to care for your skin. Its natural properties make it suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. By incorporating thyme into your skincare routine, you can enjoy the benefits of a natural, effective, and gentle solution for maintaining healthy, beautiful skin. Thyme for a happy tummy. Thyme is great for our digestive system. It can soothe tummy aches and improve digestion. Thyme helps reduce gas and bloating. It aids in breaking down food more efficiently. This makes digestion smoother and easier. A happy tummy means a happy you. Incorporate thyme into your meals. It's delicious in soups and stews. Thyme also enhances the flavor of meat and vegetables. Thyme, a powerful protector. Thyme is full of surprises. It has antioxidants. Antioxidants protect our bodies. They fight off bad things called free radicals. Free radicals can damage our cells. This can lead to health problems. Thyme's antioxidants help to keep us healthy. Thyme is a powerful herb. It has been used for centuries. Try adding thyme to your life. It might just make you feel amazing. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content. See you next time.